Hi, I'm Dee from Artsydee, and in today's watercolor tutorial for beginners, I'm going to be painting these easy watercolor tulips. And I'm going to be using one of my printable line drawings, which is perfect if you're new to watercolor flowers or you want an easy watercolor painting to follow along with. I'll be using my Kuretake Gansai watercolors, my Escoda travel brush, size 2, and a major brush, size 4. I'm using a ceramic mixing palette. I have some fresh paper towel handy and some clean water in a glass jar. I'm using 190 gram watercolor paper for this demonstration. That's about as much as my printer could handle, but I find it works really well and the paper doesn't warp and it holds the liquid. Okay, let's begin. I'm going to start by painting a first watercolor wash on the tulips, the stems and the leaves. I'm going to start by using my rose madder. And I'm going to just slowly start painting in that lovely rose madder pink onto the petals. I'm going to intentionally leave some white areas. The technique I'm using here is literally just wet on dry, so I'm not doing any watercolor bleeds or blooms for this. I'm just getting that first layer down. For these tulips, I'm using my Kuretake Gansai Tambi watercolors. They're brilliant for beginners because they're already mixed and the pigments are so vibrant straight out of the pan. Okay, I'm going to now paint the little pink ribbon using the same rose madder. Okay, next I'm going to be using my lime green and I'm going to be painting that first wash over the stems and the leaves. And then I'm going to use a little Aureolin to paint the stamen inside this open tulip. Okay, now I'm going to leave that to dry. while that first wash dries, I wanted to quickly show you what else is in the spring cutting garden pack, because the tulips are just one of 20 templates. So if you fall in love with painting on printable line drawings today, there's loads more spring flowers in this set. Daffodils in a mason jar, there are tulips, we've got sweet peas, all sorts of spring flowers that you can experiment with. What I love about these is that they're really light line art, not heavy black outlines like a coloring book. The lines are clean and soft enough that you can paint over them in watercolor. The line almost disappears into the painting. You can either print them straight onto watercolor paper or trace them onto your favorite paper using a light box or even just a sunny window. Right, let's get back to our wash. For the next stage, we're going to be using another red to start building up the petals. And for this one, I'm going to be using Carmine, just because it's got a slightly warmer red pigment in it. And it just helps to add depth to those petals. So I'm going to work on each tulip at a time, just building up the lines and the shadows and the depth. And I'm actually going to go for my smaller paintbrush here. And then I'm going to go for my Sap Green Light and start painting into the stems and leaves. Now I'm going to go back into the flowers using my red, just to make the petals a lot more vibrant. And now I'm going to use some raw umber just to create a little bit of shadow around the stamen. Now now, using my hooker's green, I'm going to deepen the shadows on the stem and the leaves. And now I'm going to just add a little bit more pink to that lovely bow. So I'm going to go for some more rose madder here. And just paint another wash over the shadow areas. And there we have it, 3 loose watercolor tulips painted right over my line drawing template. I love how soft and gentle these lines stay underneath the wash. You can barely see them once the paint goes down. Now, I'd love to know, out of the 20 templates in the Spring Cutting Garden Pack, which flower would you like to see me paint next? Drop the name in the comments. Daffodils, lily of the valley, magnolia, wisteria. Let me know and I'll make that the next video in this series. If you'd like to grab the whole pack, the link is in the description below. And if you just want to dip your toe in, there's also a free sample of my flower line drawing templates down there too, completely free. Just click the link, pop in your email, and I'll send it straight to your inbox. And if you love painting on printable templates like this, I release fresh watercolor templates every month over on my Patreon. There's a link in the description for that too. If you enjoyed this paint along, give it a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next flower in the series. Thanks for painting with me today, and watch this next video on how I painted anemones.